بما آسودم خوێندن پیشەوا هەردام خدا بما آسودم خوێندن پیشەوا هەردام لەکوێ بەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەفری دێنم لەکوێ بەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەفری دێنم ئێمە جوست و چالاکین پێشەنگین و بێباکین ئێمە جوست و چالاکین پێشەنگین و بێباکین چرادا دەگرسێنین نەدانین لە بندێنین چرادا دەگرسێنین نەدانین لە بندێنین قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە
Hello student, how are you? Are you fine? I hope you'll be fine. And today I'll be with you to explain Unit 15 for you. Please listen carefully to my lessons. Hope you enjoy to my lesson. Unit 15, lesson 1. Look and listen. Please student, look at the pictures very carefully and put your finger when you hear a story, when you hear these stories, okay? Now, let us listen to this story.
Student's Book, Unit 15, Lesson 1. Look and listen.
Hello, Kitty. Hello, Laura. I have a new bag. What colour is it? It's pink and purple. What's that? It's a zip. Look. Up and down. Up and down. Oh, it's lovely, Laura.
Hello, Laura and Kitty. I have a new shirt.
It's very nice, Sam.
And I have a yo-yo.
I like yo-yos. Let's play. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, no!
Oh, my lovely yo-yo!
Oh, I'm sorry, Carawan.
Picture 1. Look at student. Who's this? Yes, very good. She's Laura. And who's this? Yes, very good. This is Kitty. Okay, Laura say, hello Kitty, I have a new bag. And Kitty say, wow, what color is it? Laura say, it is pink and blue. Look at picture 2 student. Kitty say, what is that? Laura say, it's a zip. The zip will be up and down. Picture 3, Sam and Carawan, they are coming. And Sam say, hello Laura, I have a new shirt. Laura say, wow, it is very nice. And Carawan say, I have a yo-yo. Kitty say, wow, a lovely yo-yo. Let's play a game. Picture 4, what happened? Look at Kitty is playing and what happened to the yo-yo? Okay? Carawan say, oh no, my lovely yo-yo. Okay student, we have listen, point and say. Okay student, please point to the pictures when you are listening to the CDs. Now let us listen to the CD.
Student's Book, Unit 15, Lesson 1. Listen, point and say.
I have a new bag.
What colour is it?
It's green and purple.
I have a new yo-yo.
What colour is it?
It's pink and red.
I have a new shirt.
What colour is it?
It's blue and white.
Okay, student, I say I have a shirt. What color is it? It is blue and white. Look at picture 2. I say I have a bag. I have a bag. What color is it? Number 3, I have a yo-yo. I have a yo-yo. What color is it? It is pink and red. Unit 15, lesson 2, we have look, point, and say. Okay, student, we have these 3 letters and sounds. Look at this one, student. This is Y, capital Y and small y, and this is have the sound Y. Okay, we have to say Y, Y. For capital letters and small, we say Y, Y. Okay, now let's read the words. Y, Y, yo-yo. Y, Y, yo-yo. Y, Y, yogurt. Y, Y, yogurt. And student, look at this is capital Z and this is small z. Also it has the sound Z. Z. We say Z, Z, zip. Z, Z, zip. And also we have Z, Z, zebra. Z, Z, zebra. Okay, student, we have another new sound which is the letter S and H will be the sound sh. Sh. Some of the words start with sh. Okay, student. Now we have sh, sh, shirt. Sh, sh, shirt. Now, student, let us write down the letters Y, Y. Okay. We have to draw 4 lines. Okay. Two of them is very big and 2 of them is small. And also I write down the numbers, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write down capital Y. We have to start from line 1, okay? Like that. Down. And another line, we have to start it here. Down. Again. Down. Have to draw a straight line, okay? Down. Okay, student, this time let us write down small Y, okay? Small Y also, we have to start from line 2. Down, up, down, up. Again, student, I write another one. Down, up, down, up. This is small Y. Okay, student, this time let us write down Z. Again, I have to draw 4 lines for Z. Okay, this is line 1, 2, 3, and 4. Student, this time capital Z. Again, capital Z, we have to start from line 1. Okay, look at straight. Okay, down, straight. Again, straight line, down, straight line. Now let's write down small z. Small z, we have to start from line 2. But straight, down, straight. Again, straight line, down, straight. This is small z. Okay, student, we have listen and read. Listen and read. Now, please listen to the CDs.
Students' Book, Unit 15, Lesson 2. Listen and read.
Ja, ga, jug.
Na, ta, nut.
Nut, jug.
Jug, nut.
Okay, student, what is this? Very good. It's a jug. And what is this? It is a nut. Okay, student, now let us say the letter sounds, okay? We have to say the letter sounds so as to say a word, okay? J, A, G, jug. N, A, T, not, okay? Okay, student, unit 15, lesson 3, we have listen and play. Okay, student, first listen to the CDs.
Students' Book, Unit 15, Lesson 3. Listen and play.
Let's play! I have a ruler. What colour is it?
Is it brown?
Yes! I have a top. What colour is it?
Is it red?
No.
Is it blue?
Yes!
Okay, student, I ask you a question. Who's this boy? You know that? He's Caravan. Yes, very good. He's Caravan. And who's this girl? Yes, she's Laura. And you know that this is Kitty. Okay, Caravan playing this game, okay? He put some of the objects inside the bag and take each one for Laura and say, I have a ruler. What's this? What's the color of the ruler? And Laura say, is it red? Caravan say yes. And for each object, Caravan say, I have a van, for example, I have a yo-yo, and Laura say the colors, okay? Say, is it red, is it pink, is it blue? And Caravan say yes or no, okay? Okay, student, let's go to revision 5, okay? Now we have playing this game, okay, student? What is this game I talk about for you? And we have some of the students, okay? The boys and the girls, okay, they are playing with that car, okay, student? What is this? It's a car. And what color is it? It's red, okay? But this boy and this girl say, for example, this boy say, I have a red car. And this girl say, he has a car. He has a car. And this boy also for the girls say, she has a car. She has a car. And this girl say, for this boy, okay, we say that, she say that, he has a car. He has a car. And this game in this way continue, okay? For girls we say, she has. For example, she has a top. She has a top. She has a top. But for boys we say, he has a car. He has a car. Look at the writing is, he has a car. Okay, student, now we have read. We have some of the objectives. Let us say the sound of the letters, okay? Yes. Now, let us read the words together, okay? Be with me and say with me, okay? P, O, T, pot. Also, you can say P, O, it will be pot, pot. J, A will be ja. With G will be jug, jug. J, A, ja. M, jam. S, I, si. T, sit. D, O, dog, dog. N, a, na. T, not. Okay, student, look at these letters, okay? They are ABCs, A from A till Z. Okay, student, we have 26 letters in English, which is capital and small. We use it, capital letters, for writing our names, or when we start a sentence, writing a sentences, we use it capital letters, but the small letters, we use it for writing the name of the objects. Okay, student, hope you enjoyed for my video and get benefit from this video, and I hope you enjoy it again.